The D Revo 600 twin-drum oven has been designed to provide a compact, versatile and cost-efficient two-zone cooking system for a wide range of cooking applications. The Revo oven is the latest addition to JBT's portfolio of cooking equipment, which already includes the Stein range of Jetstream and spiral ovens, the D rack and high impingement linear ovens, and the Formcook range of contact and combi cookers. The Revo oven provides uniform temperature and consistent colour on all forms of poultry and breaded products. It can cook burgers and patties, pork products and ready meals. It can also roast or steam cook chicken and poultry. What makes the Revo oven different from other spiral ovens? First, the oven uses D's unique airflow technology. This provides a superior heat transfer rate and uniform temperature, guaranteeing a consistent core temperature and uniform colour on every product right across the belt. The supply of heat and humidity is controlled separately in each zone of the oven. Secondly, the design of the Revo oven is compact at only 9.4 by 3.8 metres. During operation, the hood is only 2.9 metres high, so the oven requires an available factory height of only 4.23 metres. This is the lowest roof height of any twin-drum oven on the market. JBT has not compromised on the exceptional quality of the airflow, which we guarantee will meet or exceed uniformity of treatment from any of our competitors' products. Maintenance and cleaning are both easy and safe, thanks to the Revo oven's simple design, floor-level air circulation fans, and easy access to other critical modules. The Revo oven can cook a wide variety of products. All forms of breaded chicken, such as nuggets, fillets, drumsticks and tenders, breaded fish, seafood and croquettes. It can also cook sausages, burgers and patties, all with consistently perfect results. This is due to the uniform airflow across all tiers, which guarantees a high product yield. This also provides flexibility for a range of different treatments, for example steam cooking, pre-cooking, par frying, roasting or browning. The oven provides excellent colour when roasting chicken and poultry products, as the airflow, combined with a temperature capability of up to 240 degrees centigrade, enhances the roasting effect. Unique to the Revo oven is its hot belt infeed. This enables the belt to be washed and returned through the oven to preheat, before being reloaded with product. Independent moisture and temperature controls in the zones mean you can tailor the cooking process to meet your exact requirements. The clever design of the Revo oven makes routine maintenance cost-effective and simple. Unlike any other oven, the air circulation fans are at floor level. This makes them easy to access and much safer than climbing to reach overhead fans. The unique split-level hood gives full access to the internal heat exchangers and the belt supports on the drum. There are no chains, sprockets, wire or cables hanging on the hood or the screw jack lifting system. The life of the belt is extended and maintenance reduced due to the increased belt-to-drum contact area. The Revo oven is very easy to clean. It has been designed with Hygienic stainless steel sloped surfaces. The cut and bent frame eliminates any hollow parts. Sliding doors allow easy access to the drums and belt support. And floor-level circulation fans and a split-level hood make access for cleaning easy. The automatic cleaning and recirculating system enables faster and less costly cleaning, because less water and cleaning agents are required. Spray nozzles clean the inside of the oven, and the integrated automatic wash system cleans the belt supports and rails. The Revo oven is pre-assembled and tested by JBT. This minimises installation and startup time. The connections for utilities are all grouped together on one side, and the oven has a separate power panel that can be installed remotely. The oven is fully controllable. The operator-focused ProLink controls provide logical and intuitive control of all menu functions. The built-in SCADA-ready network provides efficient processing of operations and maintenance data. This is a uniform interface, which is also featured on other JBT equipment for ease of integration. The introduction of the Revo 600 oven now provides our customers with the option of a high-capacity, compact, continuous cooking system. It can also form part of a full, in-line coating, frying, cooking and freezing process by integrating with other JBT products. These include the Stein battering and breading equipment, the Stein fryer family, and the Frigoscandia Gyro Compact spiral freezing and chilling systems. A Double D Revo oven is installed at JBT's Food Technology Centre in Helsingborg in Sweden. Here, a trained technical team can help you test the oven using your own products and recipes. All installations are backed up by ProCare, our flexible, preventative maintenance package, which can be tailored to suit your requirements and budget. The Double D Revo 600 oven embodies JBT's heritage and experience in many different technologies. The engineering and lifting technology of Frigoscandia, thermal fluid technology and humidity control of Stein, and the unique airflow technology of Double D. This latest advance in TwinDrum oven technology means you can optimise your process line like never before. JBT, we're with you right down the line.